It has been many months since I've gotten the Royal Craft cutting boards, and these cutting boards are in regular rotation in our household. Our kids will pull them out for cutting up snacks like apples and pears, and I love pulling this one out in particular for when I'm cutting up meat, whether it's raw meat that I just want on a separate board, or when it's cooked. I love the catch along the side. It's just a really nice board for that. Let me show you these up close so you can see the wear and tear after multiple months of constant use. Now I could be much nicer to these. I could oil them and they'd look a lot better, but we really do just use them, scrub them with soap, let them air dry, and I shove them in with all of my baking pans. And this one actually has some of the gray from one of my baking pans rubbing off on it right now. So this is real deal how it looks for us on a daily basis. I did not clean this up for you as I wanted you to see how these really do wear. It's wearing beautifully in general. There isn't any clear damage. All the edges have held up beautifully. The catch is really nice. None of it is splintering. It's clean all around. You can see some cut marks on it, and I definitely use these when I'm cutting bread, and bread knives in particular are always mean to cutting boards. But these are just so nice to cut on. They feel really good, and they're a good weight. Now here's the bigger one. You can see we use it a lot more. It has a lot more cut marks, and we definitely use this one a lot for bread loaves as well, so I'm sure that's what a lot of that is. But again, it's held up beautifully. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butcher block oil to this top board so you can see the difference and see how nice they are when you take care of them. Now this oil does need to soak in, but you can already tell that there is a dramatic difference between this and the unoiled cutting board. So I definitely recommend oiling these, just like your wooden spoons and any other kitchenware you have that's made of wood. It does a beautiful job making it look way better. It strengthens the wood and it'll make it last so much longer. But whether or not you oil these, I really love these Royal Craft wood cutting boards.